Meow Meow Kids.
Meow Meow Kids.
Out in the west where the tumbleweeds roll, there's a funny little story every cowboy knows. It's about a horse with the hiccups so loud, it shakes up the desert and startles the crowd.
One fine morning under the sun so bright, I saddled up my horse, ready for a ride. But just as we started, he let out a sound.
Hiccups went the horse, and we both hit the ground.
Oh no, I cried, what's going on here?
You've got the hiccups, it's perfectly clear.
Hiccup, hiccup, hold on tight. This horse is jumping left and right. He hops and he skips, can't walk a straight line. The hiccuping horse is a friend of mine. We tried some water, we tried to count to 10, but the hiccups just kept coming again and again.
He hiccuped so big, his tail flew in the air. The cows in the pasture just stood and stared.
I'll help you, buddy, we'll get this fixed.
No hiccuping horse will stay in a mix.
Hiccup, hiccup, hold on tight. This horse is jumping left and right. He hops and he skips, can't walk a straight line. The hiccuping horse is a friend of mine. Then I had an idea, it was worth a shot.
I gave him a scare, oh boy did it work or not.
The hiccups were gone and I cheered with glee.
But then he sneezed so hard he knocked over a tree.
Hiccup, hiccup, hold on tight. This horse is jumping left and right. He hops and he skips, can't walk a straight line. The hiccuping horse is a friend of mine. So if you ever hear a hip out west, that's my horse, he's the very best. We'll ride together through thick and thin, even if his hiccups start up again.
Hit like and subscribe.